The future of intermeshing rotor helicopters in 2025. Intermeshing rotor helicopters have been making significant strides in the aviation industry, and 2025 is set to be a groundbreaking year for these unique aircraft. Unlike conventional helicopters that use a single main rotor and a tail rotor for stabilization, intermeshing rotor helicopters employ two rotors that tilt toward each other at an angle. This innovative design eliminates the need for tail rotor, improving both efficiency and safety while enhancing lifting capabilities. As the world moves towards more advanced, fuel-efficient, and versatile aviation solutions, intermeshing rotor helicopters are gaining attention for their exceptional maneuverability, increased payload capacity, and operational flexibility. These helicopters have been primarily used in military and firefighting applications, but recent technological advancements are opening new doors for commercial, rescue, and even urban transportation uses. One of the biggest advantages of intermeshing rotor helicopters is their ability to generate more lift without the added complexity of a tail rotor. The synchronized counter-rotating blades cancel out torque, allowing for a more stable flight experience. This makes them particularly useful in environments where precise movement and heavy lifting are required, such as construction sites, offshore oil rigs, and emergency response scenarios. The absence of a tail rotor also means reduced mechanical failure risks, lower maintenance costs, and improved safety, as tail rotor strikes are a common issue in traditional helicopters. In 2025, aerospace manufacturers and research institutions are pushing the boundaries of intermeshing rotor technology, integrating cutting-edge materials, advanced aerodynamics, and artificial intelligence-based flight control systems. One of the key improvements in modern intermeshing helicopters is the use of lightweight composite materials that enhance durability while reducing overall weight. These materials not only improve fuel efficiency but also contribute to lower carbon emissions, aligning with the global push for more sustainable aviation solutions. Another crucial development in 2025 is the integration of hybrid electric propulsion systems in intermeshing rotor helicopters. The aviation industry is shifting towards greener technologies, and electric-powered rotor aircraft are becoming increasingly viable. Hybrid systems allow for quieter operations, reduced fuel consumption, and extended flight ranges in urban environments, where noise pollution is a major concern. The adoption of quieter rotor designs in the electric powertrains makes intermeshing helicopters a more acceptable solution for commercial and passenger transport. Artificial intelligence and autonomous flight technology are also transforming intermeshing rotor helicopters. AI-driven flight assistance systems can enhance pilot decision-making, improve route optimization, and increase safety by preventing human errors. In some cases, fully autonomous versions are being developed for military reconnaissance, cargo transport, and search and rescue missions. These AI-powered helicopters can navigate through complex terrains, adapt to changing weather conditions, and complete missions with minimal human intervention. In terms of military applications, intermeshing rotor helicopters have always been valuable assets due to their ability to hover for extended periods, carry heavy payloads, and perform vertical takeoffs and landings in confined spaces. In 2025, defense contractors are exploring ways to integrate stealth technology, advanced sensors, and modular payload systems into those helicopters. Some of the latest models feature infrared suppression systems, making them harder to detect by enemy forces. Additionally, modular designs allow for quick reconfiguration, enabling a single helicopter to switch between roles such as troop transport, medical evacuation, and aerial combat support. Firefighting agencies are also benefiting from intermeshing rotor helicopters. Their ability to carry large volumes of water or fire retardant makes them an invaluable tool in battling wildfires. Unlike conventional helicopters, which require extensive modifications to accommodate firefighting equipment, intermeshing rotor helicopters can be easily adapted for aerial firefighting missions. In 2025, advances in real-time fire mapping and automated water dispensing systems are further improving their effectiveness in containing wildfires. Commercial aviation is another sector where intermeshing rotor helicopters are making an impact, with urban air mobility becoming a growing industry. These helicopters offer a promising solution for short-distance air travel. Companies are developing passenger-friendly versions that provide a safer, smoother ride compared to traditional rotor aircraft. Their ability to take off and land in confined spaces makes them suitable for air taxi services in crowded cities. In 2025, major metropolitan areas are expected to test intermeshing rotor air taxis, paving the way for a new era of urban transportation. Another area of innovation is the use of intermeshing rotor helicopters in cargo transport. E-commerce giants and logistics companies are investing in rotor aircraft capable of carrying heavy loads across long distances. Unlike drones, which are limited in payload capacity, intermeshing helicopters can transport larger shipments efficiently while maintaining vertical takeoff and landing capabilities in remote regions with limited infrastructure. These helicopters serve as lifelines, delivering essential supplies to communities that are otherwise difficult to reach. Search and rescue operations are also benefiting from the enhanced capabilities of intermeshing rotor helicopters. Their superior stability, lifting power, and ability to maneuver in tight spaces make them ideal for missions in disaster-stricken areas. In 2025, thermal imaging cameras, assisted navigation, and real-time communication systems are being integrated into those helicopters to improve response times and effectiveness. Whether it's rescuing stranded hikers in mountainous regions or delivering aid during natural disasters, intermeshing rotor helicopters are proving to be indispensable. Despite all these advancements, there are still challenges to overcome. The initial cost of manufacturing intermeshing rotor helicopters remains high due to the complexity of their design and the need for specialized materials. However, as production scales up and more manufacturers enter the market, costs are expected to decrease. Additionally, regulatory hurdles must be addressed, particularly for autonomous and urban air mobility applications. Air traffic management systems will need to evolve to accommodate an increased number of rotor aircraft operating in busy airspace. The future of intermeshing rotor helicopters in 2025 looks incredibly promising, with advancements in materials, propulsion systems, integration, and multifunctional capabilities. These helicopters are set to redefine aviation across multiple industries, whether in military operations, firefighting, commercial transport, logistics, or emergency response. Intermeshing rotor helicopters are proving to be one of the most versatile and innovative aircraft of the modern era. As technology continues to evolve, they are expected to play an even greater role in shaping the future of aviation.